Breast cancer is a serious condition, but early detection can make a significant difference in outcomes. In this video, we'll discuss the early warning signs of breast cancer that everyone should be aware of. Breast cancer affects millions of people worldwide. While it's more common in women, men can also develop breast cancer. Let's talk about the early warning signs. One of the most common signs is a lump in the breast or armpit. These lumps are often hard and painless, but not always. Regular self-examinations can help you detect any unusual changes early. Swelling or thickening of part of the breast, even without a distinct lump, can be a warning sign. Any such changes should be examined by a healthcare professional. Notice any changes in the shape or size of your breast? This can be a sign of breast cancer. Pay attention to any swelling or shrinking that seems unusual. Changes to the skin on your breast, such as dimpling, puckering, or redness, should not be ignored. These can indicate underlying issues that need medical attention. Unexplained changes in the color or texture of your breast, such as darkening, warmth, or an unusual rash, can also indicate breast cancer. These changes should be checked by a doctor. Look out for changes in your nipples, such as inversion, discharge, especially if it's bloody or scaly. Any new and unusual changes should be checked by a healthcare professional. While breast cancer is often painless in its early stages, any persistent pain or tenderness in your breast should be evaluated by a doctor. Swelling in the lymph nodes under your arm or around your collarbone can also be an early sign of breast cancer. If you notice any swelling, consult your healthcare provider. Early detection is key in the fight against breast cancer. Regular self-exams and mammograms can save lives. If you notice any of these signs, don't hesitate to see a doctor. Remember, it's better to be safe and get checked. Thank you for watching, and please share this information to help spread awareness. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips and information. Stay informed, stay healthy.